This is no ordinary burger. This is a lip smacker burger. Billy McGee and pal Cesar Castillo are regulars here.
It can be a lip smacking experience.
If you smack your lips, it's a good food. You know?
Yes. Owner Jabbar Shabano brings a touch of the Mediterranean to his recipes.
And my burgers here, they're not like other burgers.
No, they're not. Oklahoma food critic Greg Elwell is a regular.
I would like the brunch cheeseburger, please.
Oh, the brunch.
Greg gave Lip Smackers a rousing review and has kept coming back for more.
The cheddar cheese, the half-pound beef, and the fried egg.
Sounds good.
Can you handle that?
All Lip Smacker burgers are a quarter pound of all Angus beef, and all are unique. There is nothing standard about his culinary incarnations. Jabbar has a passion for what he creates.
Olive burgers. We grill the olive with the real butter, and when you grill the olive with the real butter, some aroma comes out of it. And with the burgers and provolone cheese and the quality of the beef, that burger is second to none when it comes to taste.
Okay, so the recipes are unique, and so is Lip Smacker's location. You'll find it in a gas station on the corner of I-44 and North Pennsylvania in Oklahoma City.
There you go, my friend.
Greg says this is in no way your typical gas station cuisine. He says you'll appreciate the variety. There are 12 kinds of burgers here, each with a different flair.
A burger with fried apples and brie on it. A burger with homemade onion dip and freshly fried potato chips on it. A burger with thinly sliced jalapenos that are then like lightly dredged and fried and covered in melted cheddar. I mean, just really great burgers.
Each, he can testify, will have you smacking your lips. But there are also sandwiches and salads.
Turkey Mediterranean sandwich with caramelized onions and green olives and tomatoes and yes, paprika, olives. Yes, delicious. And we finish it in the oven.
Oh, and Jabbar is particularly proud of his cheesecake.
Oh, you kidding me? The sauce of that cheesecake. I got a child was here. She licked the plate. She did. She grabbed it and she licked it.
Well, I just had to try, and I have to say, it's crazy good.
I mean, I'm not kidding. This is a spiritual experience. I need a moment.
I didn't lick the plate, but I mighta if I'd been at home without a camera in my face. Unique, yummy burgers in a unique, really convenient location. Lip Smackers is one of a kind and a true Oklahoma find.
Gotta smack them lips.
In Oklahoma City, Angela Buckaloo for Discover Oklahoma.